The 7-step 2-in-1 free giveaway traffic and profit method. A lot of you guys are still struggling to make money online with affiliate marketing. So what I'm going to do in today's video is show you an almost guaranteed 2-in-1 way that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. All you need to do is follow this step-by-step tutorial and you will be able to make money online today with this method. The key to this method is to give something away for free. This 2-in-1 method combines CPA marketing with affiliate marketing to give you the best chance to succeed with affiliate marketing and make some easy money online. We're going to be using this platform right here called CPA Grip, a fairly new platform that's helping beginners make a ton of money online. So, for starters, just head over to cpagrip.com and let's leave this tab open because it is going to be essential for this tutorial. The second thing you need to do is find an affiliate marketing network. As most of you may know, ClickBank is one of the leading affiliate marketing networks in the world. But, you can also use platforms like Warrior Plus, Digistore24, JVZoo, Max Bounty, Flex Offers, as well as others to find offers to promote. Whatever affiliate marketing network you choose to use, you will need to go to their marketplace, where you can find a number of categories and a whole host of products from numerous niches to promote. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose Digistore24 in the health and fitness niche, one of the most popular categories to promote. There is a lot of money in the health and fitness niche. However, you can still make money in other niches, like love and relationships, home and garden, make money online, as well as others. Regardless of what category or niche you choose, this method is going to work. This 2-in-1 method begins with giving away something for free. The average online surfer sees anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 ads every single day, so our goal is to stand out by offering something for free. What we will be giving away will have an unknown condition to it. In order for a visitor to take advantage of our free offer, they will first need to complete an action which is going to make us money with CPA marketing. Once they have taken the suggested action, then, and only then, will they be able to download their free item. Which is how the money is made with CPA marketing. First you have the free downloaded ebook embedded with our affiliate links, and then we have the CPA marketing strategy. So as you can see, these are two different streams of income that we're implementing into one. For any niche that you select, you always want to find the best product, one that is paying the highest commission. Preferably, one with recurring commissions. The first thing you want to do here is actually look at the sales page so you can see what the affiliate sales page looks like to the visitor. Normally, the visitor will see a well-crafted VSL, video sale letter, whose purpose is to give the visitor all the information they need about the product to help them to decide if the product is for them or not. These VSLs are crafted in such a way to make sure that they convert. That's why, what we are trying to offer for a commission should relate directly to the item that we're going to give away for free. Your affiliate link is the link that is going to be trackable, and any customer that clicks on it to make a purchase, you will be compensated for the sale. Easy, right? Okay. How does this all work? Well, first of all, as stated above, it all starts with an offer, article or ebook. You can either match the article to the offer, or you can match the offer to the article. How you choose to begin is totally up to you. To do this, you will first need to decide on an affiliate marketing network and an article or ebook source. For articles and ebooks, you might want to consider sourcing a PLR platform. But, whichever way you choose to begin, ultimately, you must have the offer and the giveaway in place. Reason being, is that you will need to embed your product affiliate link inside the free giveaway. Once that has been established, you will need to go to a site like sayta.com, where you can edit the article or ebook and insert your affiliate link. The more call to actions you put in the article or ebook, the higher your chances of making a sale. And now just download it to your computer, and just like that, it's going to have your affiliate links inside all ready to go. Now that you have your free giveaway ready to go, now you will need a place to offer it to the public. This is where Google Drive comes into play. Now that you have your free giveaway all embedded with your affiliate links, you will now need to upload it to a platform like Google Drive to offer it for download. To do that, once uploaded to Google Drive, Now you need to access a shareable link to share with the public. Click on the three little dots in the upper right hand corner, and then from there where it says Get Link, you want to change it because at the moment the link is restricted, so you want to change it to anyone with link. Once you've obtained your shareable link, shorten the shareable link with bit.ly or tiny URL. Now head over to Linktree. Now, use those shortened links to make your Linktree multi-link. Now, head on over to cpagrip.com and sign up for a free account. Next, click on the Monetizations tools, then URL file lockers. Create a new content locker. Configure the new content locker with a promotion title, affiliate link, call to action, and the number of tasks that a visitor needs to complete before they have access to the free giveaway download. All that is needed is one simple action, and you're going to be able to make money with CPA affiliate marketing. Copy the link to your clipboard. Now head on over to Pinterest so that you can take advantage of the free traffic and create a pin to promote your offer. A great platform to use to create your Pinterest pins is Canva.com. This is the best platform to create anything online in terms of digital art. When it comes to Pinterest, if you haven't already, you want to create a business account. With a business account, your reach will be greater and you will be able to see your analytics. Pinterest is a very effective free traffic method. However, don't just settle for Pinterest being your sole source of free traffic. Take advantage of the other social media platforms, such as Quora, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit. Also, post your content on Medium and Blogger to increase your chances of success. Below in the description I have included a link to help you with content creation. Not everyone is a writer, nor can everyone come up with an idea to create a whole comprehensive article to make their promotion efforts easy. That's exactly why I am including this link to make your life a little easier. Good luck!